Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. Today we are going to learn about perfect tenses. Now let us check the example of has. So again the formula will be subject plus he, she, it, name of the person plus third verb plus object. Now let us take an example with the name of the person has. Ram has eaten his lunch. Positive statement. Negative statement. Ram hasn't eaten his lunch. Positive question 1. Has Ram eaten his lunch? Negative question 1. Hasn't Ram eaten his lunch? Positive question 2. When has Ram eaten his lunch? Negative question 2. Why hasn't Ram eaten his lunch? So guys, please understand and remember the formulas of both the formats, where you can say I, we, you, they as format 1 and he, she, it, name of the person as format 2. So I repeat once again, if the subject begins with I, we, you or they, you will use have plus third verb, and if the subject is he, she, it, name of the person, then has plus third verb. Keep watching guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.